Hello and welcome. Here's a short presentation of KavaApp, the app built for managing Nakamals, developed and designed by Kava drinkers. All right, let's get started. I open the cash register, and we're off. You're now on the main screen, and that's what feels great. Everything is visual. Your items are shown in a grid with the photo, the name, the price, and the stock. So even when it's busy at the counter, you don't search. You see, you tap, you charge. Simple. Let's do a sale together. I select, I validate, and I go to payment. Here you have everything you need: cash, card, check, with change calculation when needed. And if a customer says, "I'll pay you later," easy. You put it on the customer account, the tab. And if you want to treat someone, you can also mark it as free. Yes, you're being nice, but the app keeps the account straight. Now I open the left menu. I swipe from the edge, and depending on the tablet, it's one finger or two. At the very top, you've got the little person icon. That's where you access customer accounts and tabs. You get the list with color codes. At a glance, you can see who's up to date, who's ahead, and who's negative thanks to overdraft permissions. And just below that, you've got the totals, positive and negative. You instantly know how much you're ahead and how much people owe you overall. And most importantly, thanks to the history, everything is recorded. It avoids those artistic discussions at the end of the week. Just below, you've got the cart icon. That's the sales list, your real dashboard. There you can see everything that's happening, the amount, the date, who cashed it in, and you can filter by period, customer, or user if needed. And at the bottom, you've got the live cash summary: total collected plus refunds, total card payments, total freebies, marked amounts, starting cash float, and most importantly, total cash in the register. In short, at a glance, you know exactly what happened and how much cash you have right now. Next, we go to the statistics icon. You choose your period, and you instantly get the essentials: stats by category, hourly stats, top sales, everything you need to run your Nakamal properly without guessing. And right after that, we click the YouTube icon. That's where you'll find the video tutorials to train your staff on sales, but also to go further on every feature in the app. Basically, if you have a question, you start a video, and you're back on track. Now, KavaApp's secret weapon, the leader tracking gauges. You enter your starting stock. The app automatically decreases your liters with each sale. You refill when you add more Kava, and you close it at the end of the day. Result: you know exactly what you have left, and you'll know if your ladle has a hole in it. And for accounting, it's solid. Sales, customer balances, stock, histories, everything can be exported. You filter your period, you make your custom accounting setup, and you export a CSV, Excel, either locally or by email. And most importantly, no internet required. Your data stays local, under your control. That's it. Fast, clear, no headaches. Like a good Nakamal. KavaApp is on Google Play. Download it for free, test it, and explore the options. You'll definitely find a setting that fits your way of working.